Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn return delivery for purchase order. The scenario is like this. We have posted goods receipt for a purchase order from a vendor. After posting the goods receipt, we come to know that vendor has delivered wrong material or low quality material. In such case, we have to return the material back to the vendor. Then vendor will deliver the correct material as per our purchase order. Now, to return the material back to vendor, we have to create a return delivery with reference to the material document of the goods receipt. Once we receive the correct material, then we have to again post GR for the purchase order. So here we should know two important things here. One thing is, if we have posted goods receipt with movement type 101, then the return delivery is posted with movement type 122. This means that the return delivery reduces our own stock on both quantity and value basis. So in short, if you have received the GR with 101 movement type, you have to create the return delivery and the system will automatically, select movement type 122. Next, if you have posted the goods receipt with movement type 103, means non-valuated GR block stock, then the return delivery is posted with movement type 124. Since the goods receipt is non-valuated in this case, the return delivery is also non-valuated. So again here, in short, if you have posted the goods receipt with movement type 103, then when you create the return delivery, the system will automatically take movement type 124. Okay, this is about the movement types, right? The system will automatically take when we create the return deliveries. Okay, now to enter a return delivery with reference to a material document, what we have to do? The transaction code will be MIGO. Then we have to choose return delivery and a reference as material document or delivery note number, depending on which number we had posted the GR for the purchase order. Then we have to input the material document number and enter. If we have to return partial quantity, then put the quantity we are returning back to the vendor. On the Where tab page, enter a reason for the goods movement for each item in the item details. This I am going to show you when we are creating the return delivery. Then we will post the return delivery. If the supplier sends a substitute delivery after the return delivery, we can enter the new goods receipt as a subsequent delivery. For the subsequent delivery, we can refer to either the material document of the original goods receipt or the material document of the return delivery. Press enter and the items are proposed from the reference document. Then we have to post check and post, which will post the goods receipt for the purchase order in the same way as we post goods receipt for the first time. So here, that is, let me show you that one, what I just now told you. When we are creating the return delivery, right, what we have to do, we have to select return delivery here. And here, the material document number will be the GR document, with which we had posted the goods receipt. Okay. If you want to post with delivery note number also, that also we can do actually. But if we had posted the GR with some delivery note number, then we have to input that delivery note number here. Okay, but here since we are using the material document, okay, as a reference, we will create the return delivery with reference to the material document of the goods receipt, which we had posted when we had received the material. Okay, now let me go back here. We will do one simple exercise here on the return delivery. There is a PO 4500017516 in which vendor delivered bush of size 30 instead of size 40 which was ordered in the PO. Create a return delivery and send the materials back to vendor. Now vendor sends back the correct material as per PO, receive the correct materials and post the GR for the purchase order. Let us go to SAP system and let me display this purchase order. Okay, let me go to SAP system here. Okay, let me go back here. Purchase order. Okay, so I'm already there in this PO. ending with 17516 here. See here, if you see the purchase order, the material ordered was bush 40 mm. Okay, but what has happened? Vendor has delivered bush of 30 mm size, which is incorrect material, not as per the purchase order. Now we have informed the vendor, and vendor has asked to send this material back or create a return delivery and return the material back, and then he will send the correct material as per the purchase order, which is the bush of size 40 mm. Okay. Now what we will do? We will create a return delivery. Okay, and send the material back to the vendor. Okay. How to create a return delivery? I am going to MeGo transaction code here. MeGo here. Select. We have to select return delivery. Return delivery and material document. What is the material document? Here the material document with which we had posted GR, that we have to input 500 ending with 270. We can see here. Okay, so this is the material document, we have to input. I'm going to put that material document number. Yeah, this is the material document number already there, 500 ending with 270. Just to press enter. If you press enter, the system will automatically capture all the details, okay, from the material document with which we had posted the goods receipt. Material number, quantity cap, we can see here the system has automatically taken moment type 122. Why? Because I had already told you that when if we had posted goods receipt with movement type 101, then the return delivery is posted with movement type 122. So this is automatic. Okay, so 122. Then here plant, storage location, everything will be there. Here, there is one field here, reason for movement. We have to input the reason for movement. It is a mandatory field. And here select delivered wrong product. Because, we had received wrong product from the vendor, or vendor had delivered wrong material. Just select that one. And then if you scroll down further right, there is item OK. Click on check OK and post. The return delivery document. This is the material document for the return delivery. 500 ending with 271. Now this return delivery document will be updated in the purchase order, in the purchase order history, in the item details. Let us go to the purchase order here. Okay. Now just click on this display change button once. Again click on. Now if you go to the, we can see that in the purchase order history tab page, this return material document or the return delivery is updated here with the movement type 122. If you click here, we can go to this return material document. So that is done. So we have returned the material back to the vendor. Now next, vendor sends back the correct material as per purchase order, receive the correct materials and post the GR for the purchase order. So once, right, we receive the correct materials, what we have to do? So we have to select subsequent delivery, because this is the subsequent delivery, okay, which is, sent by the vendor actually. Why? Because, we had returned the material back to the vendor. Okay. Then we have to again, that is, receive the material back. And in such case, we had to, in the MeGo transaction code, we had to select subsequent delivery, as you can see here, with reference to the material document. Okay. This material document number can be the return delivery document number. Okay. Let me go to SAP system here. Okay. Vendor has supplied the correct material. Okay. Let us go to MeGo transaction code here. I am in the MeGo. Let me go to MeGo. I am in MeGo transaction code here. Here we have to select in the drop down subsequent delivery here. Select subsequent delivery and the material document number is the, we can select this one. That is the return delivery document number, which is 500 ending with 271. Okay. Subsequent delivery material document ending with 271. Fine. Just press enter here. Now the system will automatically take select moment type 101. Why? Because it is a subsequent delivery. Okay. Subsequent delivery means that is, vendor is vendor has delivered the correct material and we are receiving this material again as per our purchase order, and that is, this is same like a posting the goods receipt for the purchase order. When how we had posted goods receipt for the purchase order in the first time, same way that is the system will post here, because subsequent delivery means it is a replacement for a wrong product, replacement delivery for a return delivery. So movement type will be 101. So it will capture everything. Okay, then here click select item here and click on check. Okay, and post. This is the goods receipt material document for the subsequent delivery or for the replacement delivery. Okay, now this new material document, okay, which is created after posting the goods receipt with the correct material, will be again updated in the purchase order history also. Let us go to the purchase order here. Click on display change. Click on display change here. Go to the item detail. We can see here that the new goods receipt document is updated in the purchase order. Okay, so here the first one what you see here, okay, this was the first goods receipt which was posted, but we had received incorrect material, means the bush of wrong size. Then we had returned this incorrect material, wrong material to the vendor with this material document with movement of 122. Then vendor had, delivered the correct material which is subsequent delivery, and that is, for which, we had posted the goods receipt with the correct material. Okay, so now what has happened? We have received the correct material from the vendor and posted the GR, and this has, solved the issue. Okay, this is how to, create a return delivery and for any incorrect product received from any vendor, and then receive the correct material with a subsequent delivery from the vendor and post the GR for the purchase order. Thank you for watching my video, and soon we will meet with another video with another interesting topic. Thank you.